Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video we'll be making some soft and delicious chapatis. So simple to make. Anyone can do this recipe and I assure you the outcome will be amazing. You will love the chapatis. I love these chapatis so much and I would like you to give them a try. And before we go into the recipe, I would like to thank everyone that has continued to support my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so as I upload new simple recipes every other week. And let's begin. So I put 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl and then a half cup of milk powder. Then give that a very good mix with a mwiko. And guys, you can add more milk powder or less depending on the amount of chapatis that you are making. Next, I go in with salt and sugar. Then mix everything together. And here I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, but first I put like half of it and then give it a mix. The other half we are going to use when making the dough. And then I have a 3/4 cups of lukewarm water. You can use extra hot water if you like. Then I go in with my hands to make the dough. The idea is to have a very soft dough so that the chapatis can be soft as well. Then add the remaining water bits by bits. Now at this point, pour the remaining oil onto the dough and then continue kneading this for like 3 to 5 minutes until the dough is soft and all the ingredients have come together nicely. And after that, leave it to rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Remember to cover the dough with a damp, clean kitchen towel. And after 1 hour, this is how the dough is looking like. It is so soft. And guys, a tip: when your dough is very soft, the chapatis will also be soft. And then after that, cut the dough into small balls depending on the amount of chapatis again that you are making. And then at this point we are going to layer the chapatis, and I just take one ball after the other, roll it out like you can see on the video. And then after rolling it out, pour a small amount of cooking oil onto the chapatis, and this is the first technique that I use for making layers, and it gives the best layers every time. And then I pour a small amount of the all-purpose flour onto the chapati that I have applied some oil on, and then I fold like you can see on the video. And then after folding the chapatis, now roll it to a ball shape. Roll it round like you can see on the video. It is so simple, guys. It is something that you can do for your families, and I'm sure they're going to love the chapatis. And the layers, when you use this technique, the layers will be very, very well defined. Yeah, then do that to all the other remaining balls. And here I'll show you another technique that you can use. Just apply some oil on the rolled chapati and then just fold it simply like you can see the way I'm folding. This is a very simple technique and you can do it even when you're in a hurry. It is not like a long process that will take too much of your time. Yeah, just like that. So simple. And I got 5 chapatis from the dough that I had made, and that is how they are looking like after layering them. And then I'm just going to cover them and rest the chapatis for another 20 minutes before starting the next step. Then at this stage is to roll the chapati out, and when I'm doing this, my pan is already heating up. And just put the chapati on the pan, but at this point do not add any cooking fat first, and then let it turn color to cream white. Don't let it cook too much at this stage. Then at this point now turn the chapati. You can see the color is changed, but the chapati is still not cooked. And then put that on a pan and do that to all the other chapatis. And now it is time to fry the chapatis. I use cooking fat, and I just pour a small amount of the cooking fat on the hot pan. And then now I start frying the chapatis on both sides to get a golden brown color. You can see it is very well nicely cooked, and do that to all the other chapatis. Make sure that they are golden brown in color, and you are going to love them, guys. I assure you these chapatis are the best so far. I have done another recipe of how to use milk to make soft and delicious chapatis, but this is also another way that you can make your chapatis at time when you have milk powder in your cupboard, and I assure you that you're going to love them. And thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider doing so. And I would like to thank all the people that have continued to support my channel. Those are the chapatis. They were looking so amazing, you guys. You can see how soft they were looking on the video. I love them so much, and I'm sure you're going to love them, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.